Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. In today's video, we will explore how to prepare for the recession. Let me ask you a question. What is your reaction instantly when you hear recession? Think of layoff and start to worry about your income. Threatening. In fact, the recession is threatening for many, and it's natural to want to be prepared for the worst. While it's impossible to predict exactly how the economy will fare, you can take steps to ensure that you are in a strong financial position when the recession does come. By the end of this video, you are expected to know 5 simple yet effective ways to prepare for the recession. After you implement these 5 ways, you will know how to protect yourself and your finances in no time. And I'm about to share a bonus with you at the end. So make sure you watch until the end so that you won't miss any key points that can help you weather the recession. Before kicking off, if you're ready to know how to prepare for the recession, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. The first one, invest in yourself. One of the most crucial things you can do to prepare for the recession is to invest in yourself. By upgrading your skills now, you can ensure that you are in a strong financial position no matter what happens. You may ask, what is the meaning of investing in yourself, or why investing in yourself? As Warren Buffett mentioned before, the best thing you can do is to invest in yourself. Once you can learn it, nobody can take it away from you. Investing in yourself can mean something other than taking a lavish vacation or splurging on designer clothing. Rather, think about it as investing in your future. Investing in yourself can mean taking classes, upgrading your skills, or starting a side business. Another way to invest in yourself is by finding ways to increase your earning potential. You can look into new career paths, such as starting your own online business or switching industries. Doing this now can put you in a much better financial situation when the recession hits. If you are interested in discovering more about how to increase your earning potential or make money online, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Finally, it's important to look into diversifying your investments. When it comes to investment, diversification is key. It means looking into stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investments that can help you make money even when the economy is downturned. Diversification can help protect you from large losses and help you come ahead when the economy recovers. The second one, build an emergency fund. When preparing for the recession, building an emergency fund is one of the essential steps. An emergency fund can be used in an unexpected financial emergency, such as job loss, medical expenses, or even a sudden economic downturn. According to CNBC, there are around 67% of workers even can't afford the emergency expense of $400. To start building an emergency fund, you can create a budget and set aside a portion of your monthly income specifically for this purpose. It would help if you did this in addition to saving for retirement, investing, and other long-term goals. Aim to save at least 10% of your monthly income and save more. When determining how much you need to save, consider factors such as your current financial situation, anticipated expenses, and living costs in your area. By following these steps and making sure to save regularly for your emergency fund, you will be well prepared for any potential economic downturns that may occur in the future. Before going to the third way, how to prepare for the recession, if you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the subscribe button and the like button. Number 3, get out of debt. One of the easiest methods to prepare for a recession is eliminating debt as quickly as possible. That can weigh you down and prevent you from taking advantage of potential opportunities during a recession. There are 5 steps you can take to begin paying off your debt. The first one, start budgeting. Take a look at your expenses and income and create a budget that works for your financial situation. Ensure you include all essential bills, such as rent and utilities, and set aside money for monthly savings. Number 2, pay off high interest debt first. It's important to focus on debts with higher interest rates first. This will help you save money in the long run, as you won't have to pay as much interest over time. Number 3, use windfalls wisely if you have them. If you receive a significant amount of money, such as an inheritance or a bonus from work, use it to pay off debt rather than splurge on something you don't need. Number 4, cut back on unnecessary expenses. Consider places where you may save money on spending, such as eating out or entertainment. Instead, you can go to find free entertainment, such as having a walk in the park or going hiking. Number 5, automate your payments. Setting up automated payments ensures you never miss a payment and helps you stay on track with the debt repayment plan. Number 4, invest in gold. One of the most popular ways to prepare for recession is to invest in gold. Gold has always been seen as a safe haven asset, meaning it is unlikely to lose its value even in an economic downturn, especially since it can act as a hedge against inflation. Gold can help protect your financial future and provide stability when other investments are faltering. With that being said, investing in gold for short-term gains is typically not the best idea, as the price of gold can fluctuate over time. It's best to focus on investing for the long term if you want to truly benefit from the stability of gold during the recession. Number 5, learn new skills. While no one can predict what will happen, it's important to start preparing for the worst. Learning new skills is a fantastic strategy to make yourself more appealing to prospective employers and position yourself for better future work prospects. Here are 4 suggestions for skills to learn in a preparation for the recession. Number 1, networking. Developing a strong professional network can open up job opportunities. Connecting with people in an industry can increase your chances of success when searching for new positions, especially by referral. Number 2, public speaking. Being able to present yourself in front of groups confidently can be a powerful asset when interviewing for a job. Take advantage of online courses or join a local Toastmasters group to hone your public speaking skills. Number 3, business. Understanding how businesses operate, whether how to read financial statements or manage a team, can give you an edge. Taking business management can facilitate a deeper comprehension of the corporate world. Number 4, negotiations. Employers may offer lower salaries and benefits during a recession than usual. If you have negotiating experience, it can be useful in getting the best deal for potential employers. Now, if you are still watching this video, here is a bonus as I've mentioned at the beginning. Are you ready? If yes, then let's go. Number 6, stay positive. Although many factors may affect our lives during a recession, being optimistic and maintaining an optimistic mindset can be invaluable. Let me quickly share with you 6 tips for staying positive during this trying time. Number 1, Focus on what you can control. Instead of worrying about what's outside your control, focus on the things you can influence or change. This could be anything from budgeting more carefully, finding new ways to save money, taking on additional work, or making lifestyle changes to reduce spending. Number 2, stay connected with friends and family. Surrounding yourself with positive people and engaging in meaningful conversations can help boost your mood and reduce stress. Reach out to your loved ones and spend quality time together. Number 3, find a creative outlet. Creative activities such as writing, drawing, music, etc. can be an excellent means of self-expression and take your mind off the current situation. Number 4, exercise regularly. Exercise has been proven to improve your mental state, so get at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily. Number 5, get enough rest. Rest is essential for physical and mental health. Make sure you give yourself time to relax and recharge your batteries each day. You will feel more energized and better equipped to face any challenges the future may bring. Number 6, practice gratitude. Gratitude can positively affect your overall well-being, so focus on all the things you are grateful for daily. In short, the future may be uncertain, but by staying positive and taking proactive steps today, you can ensure that you are prepared for anything that may occur. Finally, if you want to discover how to make money online to earn more income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about the recession, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.